In this video, we're going to walk through activity 5.6, working with connection objects. In the prior video, we looked at our connection objects, and in this one, we're actually going to change some of them. So here I am again on server DC1, and we have Active Directory sites and services open. Underneath sites, we have our different sites available to us, primarily our headquarters environment. And under headquarters, we can see we have both servers and NTDS objects, shrink that down a little bit, available to us. If we open up servers, we'll see our two different servers that are in this site, DC1 and SA1. If we open up DC1 and then right-click NTDS settings and look at those, we will see under the Connections tab, the various properties that are available for our, the replication for our system. And as previously mentioned, DC1 is replicating to SA1 and not the other way around. Because SA1 is read-only, there can be no changes made on it that will replicate back. If I go back to server SA1, and NTDS settings, properties. First off, properties, excuse me. Oh yeah, there is a replicate now option. Otherwise, properties, connections, and again, we'll see that DC1 is what it's replicating from. If I cancel that, and we further drill into the NTDS settings, I will see right here is the RODC connection, and I can right click on that and I can see that there is in fact a replicate now option. So if there's been some latency issues, I can run it right this second. Otherwise, if I click properties, I will see the replicate from and the site, as well as click change schedule just to look at the current schedule as it is right now. Again, I could select specific times and change the time. However, I'm not going to do that just yet. When I come back up to the headquarters, I see some global NTDS settings, which then will apply to all the machines below that. So here I want to right click and properties, and I want to change the schedule. And I want to select all of this, which I can do by simply clicking and dragging, or what I can do is I can actually click right here, all, and that selects it all for me, and choose 4 times per hour, and then say okay, and okay. Now, because that is a global change, all the machines below it should have changed as well. So let's look back at server SA1. Let's look at his connection, right click and properties. And with any luck, when I click change schedule, we should now see that these are set to 4 times per hour as well. Not yet. This can take a little while to show up. I will briefly try. Don't think that's going to be soon enough. Change schedule. Yeah, it will take a little while to show up, but then I can further customize it specific to this environment and this server connection at a later date.